Good morning. So, as you know, we are doing question paper of 2018, and this is question number 7B. We have reached up to the unit 3 and unit 4 is left. After that, it will be finished. So, let us do today's question. Today's question is from the catenary. This is 7B. A given length 2s of a uniform chain has to be hung between 2 points at the same level, and the tension has not to exceed weight of a length b of the chain. Show that the greatest span is under root b square minus s square log of b plus s divided by b minus s. So the problem is on your board. Now let us do it. You know what we have to do. First of all, we will draw the figure and then we will apply the formulas, some well-known formulas which were developed for the catenary, which you can use here. So let us see how to do this question. First of all, draw the figure with correct forces. This is a question of common catenary statics. Okay. So here a string is given which is hung from 2 points in the same horizontal line. So the solution is this is the string hung between 2 points. The 2 points you can take whatever you like. You can take A, B. AB is the horizontal line. In between the string is hung. A given uniform string. You know it will take the shape. This is the shape of catenary. So let us draw the axis. Suppose this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay? And this is the lowest point of the string, and this is the parameter of the catenary, which is denoted by a small c. And let us take this point as O, this point as O dash. Now, the tension at A, tension is always tangential. So, at the point A, draw a tangent. Okay. So, tension at A, sometimes this is also written as TA. And let us take the coordinates of A as x and y. And you know what will be this angle? This is psi. Tangent drawn at a point makes with the horizon an angle psi, and the tension at the lowest point, this is denoted by T0. This is denoted by T0. Now, so this is the figure. I hope the figure is clear to all of you. Now, let OAB be the string. Now, in every point, in every question, what you do? First of all, you see what is given. So, what is given here? given here the AOB, that is the length of the string, that is 2s, that is length of the chain. What else is given? Next thing which is given is weight of length B. Tension is given at A. Tension at A is equal to length of weight B. So this W is weight per unit length. Okay. So these are the two things given in the question, and what you have to find? You have to find spin. So of course you should know what is spin. When there is a question of catenary, what we do? We derive some formulas which we are going to use here. Now spin is simply the stretch, that is AB. So our target is to find AB. Okay? Our target is to find AB. And we know that the common catenary T is equal to T0 is equal to Wy. This is also a result. T is equal to T0 nahi. T0 is Wc and TA is equal to Wy. Why? Because there is a result that the tension is weight per unit length times the distance, y coordinate. So here you can see y coordinate is c, so T0 is Wc. Here y coordinate is y, so Ta is Wy. Okay. Now y is given as B, isn't it? It is given. So the next formula which we are going to use is y square is equal to c square plus s square. Y square is equal to c square plus s square. So if you put y is equal to b, this will imply b square is equal to c square plus s square. Now first of all, we want to find AB. AB means 2x. AB is 2 times x, and the formula for x is c log sec psi plus tan psi. This is also a result which is obtained while solving the questions of common catenary. So we are using one more result. We know that y is equal to c sec psi and s is equal to c tan psi. That means there is nothing to understand. Simply you have to use some formulas which are derived in this chapter of common catenary. So let us just substitute their values. Now value of C, value of section, value of tension from these three formulas. Okay. So what we are going to get is pen is equal to 2 times, now what is C? From here, from 1 we can say, call this 2, call this 3. We are going to use equations 1, 2 and 3. We want the value of C. So C square is B square minus S square. So it will be 2 times under root of B square minus S square. Okay. So we have obtained C. Now next is log. After log we have to put section. Now what is section? Section is y divided by C. Then we have to substitute for tension. What is tension? S divided by C. Using 1, 2 and 3. So using these three equations we obtain this result. Now you can observe we are very much near to get the result required, isn't it? So SPAN is coming as 2 times under root B square minus S square log of y plus S divided by C. Y plus S divided by C. I think it is okay. Now let us put for Y, let us put for S also, because it is already given. Y is our B, S is our S. Y is B, S is S. S means this length is S. This whole is 2 times S divided by C. Now what is C? C is under root of B square minus S square. This is our C. Okay. So this is B plus S into 2 under root B square minus S square. A simple algebra will give you log of B square minus S square can be written as under root of B plus S into B minus S, and here you can write B plus S under root B plus S divided by under root B plus S under root B minus S. So we have obtained the result 2 times under root B square minus S square log of B plus S divided by B minus S and this under root. I think this is what we wanted to obtain. No, we wanted to obtain, now this can be written as half and then this 2 will go away. So the required result will be under root b square minus s square log of b plus s divided by b minus s, and that is the result. Okay, now let me explain the question in Hindi as well. क्या दिया हुआ है, एक स्ट्रिंग है जिसकी लेंथ 2s दी हुई है, ये स्ट्रिंग है, इसकी लेंथ 2s है, ठीक है, और इसको सेम लेवल पे 2 पॉइंट से सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है. तो ए बी एक हॉराइजन में है, सेम लेवल पे है, यहाँ से इसको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है, तो ये शेप ले लेगी. इसको कहते हैं कैटेनरी, कॉमन कैटेनरी, और इसका पैरामीटर c है, हम इस लेंथ को c कहते हैं. लोएस्ट पॉइंट पे टेंशन T0 होता है, जो कि वेट पर यूनिट लेंथ मल्टीप्लाइड बाई c के बराबर होता है. इस पॉइंट पे टेंशन वेट पर यूनिट लेंथ मल्टीप्लाइड बाई इट्स y कोऑर्डिनेट, तो WY के बराबर होता है. तो हमने बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ किए हैं. कौन कौन से फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ किए हैं, फॉर्मूला की लिस्ट आप एक जगह बना लीजिएगा. फॉर्मूलेज आपने क्या क्या यूज़ किए हैं, S इज इक्वल टू C टेन शाई. सबसे पहला फॉर्मूला जो आपने यूज़ किया है x का C log sec शाई प्लस टेन शाई. ये फॉर्मूला आपने यूज़ किया है. दूसरा फॉर्मूला आपने क्या यूज़ किया है, टेंशन एट द लोएस्ट पॉइंट, दिस इज W इंटू C. W इज द वेट पर यूनिट लेंथ. और तीसरा फॉर्मूला जो आपने यूज़ किया है, तीसरा और चौथा, S इज इक्वल टू C टेन शाई, Y इज इक्वल टू C sec शाई, और एक और फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया है, y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू C स्क्वायर प्लस S स्क्वायर. तो ये सारे फॉर्मूलाज को यूज़ कर लीजिए और यहाँ पे sec शाई को पुट कर दीजिए, टेन शाई को पुट कर दीजिए, और टेंशन एट A दिया हुआ है, वो है WY एट WB, तो y आपका b के बराबर आ गया है. तो इस तरह से आप इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. तो चलिए, दैट वे वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर यूनिट 3. नाउ ओनली वन यूनिट रिमेन्स, दैट इज यूनिट 4. So that we'll be taking in the next week. That's all for today. Thank you very much.